Excitement surges as we dive into the dynamic world of e-commerce, where your dreams of financial freedom and entrepreneurial success take center stage. Imagine transforming your passion into a thriving online store, with the potential to earn high profits while working from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're unveiling the secrets of making money online through a Shopify webshop, guiding you through the exhilarating process step by step. Brace yourselves for a journey filled with enthusiasm, innovation, and the promise of turning your ideas into a lucrative reality. Step 1. Find your passion and niche. The first emotion that should drive you is passion. Think about what truly excites you. It could be fashion, gadgets, handmade crafts, or unique services. Your passion will fuel your Shopify store and make your business journey fulfilling. Finding your niche is the cornerstone of your success. Step 2. Set up your Shopify store. Imagine the thrill of setting up your own virtual storefront. Head to shopify.com and sign up for an account. Shopify's user-friendly interface makes the setup process a breeze. Choose a captivating theme that resonates with your brand. Personalize it to create a visually appealing and intuitive store that captures the attention of your potential customers. Step 3. Add your products with enthusiasm. Your products are the heartbeat of your online store. Visualize the joy of showcasing your carefully curated collection to the world. With Shopify, adding products is a seamless experience. Upload high-quality images, write compelling descriptions, and set your prices with enthusiasm. Think about what makes your product special and highlight those unique features. Step 4. Embrace dropshipping for low-effort, high profits. The prospect of earning high profits with low effort becomes a reality through dropshipping. Imagine having a virtual inventory without handling physical products. Partner with reliable suppliers and list their products in your store. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping hassles. Your efforts focus on marketing and customer service. Step 5. Create a seamless shopping experience. Picture this: a customer navigating your store effortlessly, adding products to their cart with excitement. Shopify offers secure payment gateways, seamless checkout processes, and mobile responsiveness, ensuring your customers have a delightful shopping experience. Personalize thank you emails and packaging to add a personal touch. Happy customers become repeat buyers and enthusiastic brand ambassadors. Step 6. Market your store with passion. Imagine the thrill of your store reaching potential customers across the globe. Use social media platforms with enthusiasm to showcase your products. Engage in influencer marketing, run Facebook and Instagram ads, and optimize your website for search engines. With Shopify's marketing tools, you can track your campaigns, measure their success, and refine your strategies. Step 7. Offer exceptional customer service. Customer satisfaction is your key to long-term success. Visualize the gratitude of a satisfied customer leaving a positive review. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries, addressing concerns, and ensuring timely deliveries. Building trust with your customers creates a loyal customer base and paves the way for continuous sales. Step 8. Visualize your potential earnings. Now, let's talk numbers. The potential earnings in the world of Shopify are awe-inspiring. Successful entrepreneurs have earned thousands to even millions of dollars annually. With dedication, strategic marketing, and a passion for your products, your store has the potential to become a lucrative income stream. Picture the financial freedom that comes with your Shopify store generating a consistent passive income. So, my aspiring entrepreneurs, let your passion fuel your Shopify journey. Visualize your store thriving, your products flying off the virtual shelves, and your bank account growing. With Shopify, your dreams of working from home, achieving passive income, and earning high profits with low effort can become a vibrant reality. Start your Shopify adventure today and watch your entrepreneurial vision come to life.